Alright class. Today we will take a test on Africa.
Oh great. Not a test on Africa. I don't want to take a test on Africa. I got to do something to stop this test from happening. But how? I know. I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. But first, I will ask my teacher if I can go to the bathroom. Excuse me, Mr. George. Can I use the bathroom?
Okay, Lord Tirek, but make it quick. You and everyone in this classroom have a test to take, so be back in 5 minutes.
Ha! That dumb teacher thinks I'm in the bathroom. Now it's my chance to pull the fire alarm so that way I can put an end to the preposterous test. There it is. The fire alarm. Now to pull it and put an end to the preposterous test. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Hey! Stop it right there. Lord Tirek. What on earth do you think you're doing?
I was just going to the bathroom.
Liar, pants on fire. It seems to me that you were trying to pull the fire alarm. That's it, mister. Come with me to my office. You're in big trouble.
Great. Now I'm boned.
Lord Tirek. How dare you try to pull the fire alarm? Why did you try to do that?
Well, Principal Murdoch, I didn't want to take a test on Africa in class today, so I decided to stop the test from happening by pulling the fire alarm. That's why I tried to do that.
Lord Tirek. You do realize that pulling the fire alarm either without reasons and invalid reasons is illegal, right? Well, you could have been arrested if I didn't stop you from pulling the fire alarm. But since I stopped you from doing it, you better be lucky that I'm not calling the cops. But the next time I catch you trying to pull the fire alarm, then I'll call the cops. Do you understand that?
Yes, Principal Murdoch. I understand.
Good. Besides, we only use the fire alarm for fire drills. And for trying to pull the fire alarm, you will be suspended for 2 weeks. Go home now.
Lord Tirek, I can't believe that you tried to pull the fire alarm at school today. You know that doing that kind of action is an illegal crime. You better lucky that you're not in jail, since your principal stopped you from pulling the fire alarm. But still, for trying to pull the fire alarm at school today, you're grounded for 2 weeks. Now go straight to your room. Otherwise I'll send you the mental people's home. And I will tell your mother about this when she gets home.